AWS has upgraded the storm Thelma to a Category 2. Heavy rain and wind speeds up to 85 miles per hour are to be expected.
This is Desert Eagle. Still no visuals on the 3 missing hikers. Bravo, Charlie. Please confirm status on rescue routes.
Come on, boy. Come on. This is Rescue Team 1, Lima Charlie. That's a negative on the hikers, but it's getting worse out here. Storm's picking up. Desert Eagle, what's the status up there?
There's a flash flood building. You gotta get your guys off the mountain. Over.
All teams to higher ground. Big wall of water coming.
Rescue ops. Retreat and seek shelter.
Where's that volunteer on horseback? He's not on radio.
Gotta be on his way back. It'd be crazy to be out here in this. Too much turbulence. We're bringing this bird back in.
Come on, we gotta get going. There's a lot of water coming. Get on.
I can't find my wife. Have you seen my wife?
Come on, get on.
No, you guys go. She can be right down there.
She's not. I found her downriver. She's gone.
Please, Timmy, let's go!
I gotta go find her.
Timmy!
Come on down. Get over there by those rocks. Come on, boy. Getting close. Hold tight as you can.
Are we gonna die?
So where'd you find them?
2 miles downstream at Base Canyon.
You get a positive ID?
Not yet. It's pretty torn up.
Hey. Who's hit?
Volunteers time to time, Captain. Man burnout, but he's a hell of a tracker.
You all right, John?
Wife got killed on the first wave. Husband ran away.
Yeah, we found him about a mile down the river.
Did what you could, John. And well, we appreciate your help again.
Hey, mister.